Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to activate high contrast keyboard on Samsung Galaxy phone. Alright guys, let's get into it. First of all, we can open our settings application on our Samsung Galaxy phone, and we have to open the accessibility setting. We can scroll down to find it. Okay, this one, click on this accessibility setting, and here we have to select vision enhancement. Okay, and since we want to activate the high contrast keyboard feature, we can click on this option. Just click on this toggle button to activate it, and you can select the type of the high contrast keyboard you would like to apply to your Samsung Galaxy phone keyboard, and you can click on it to see the preview, and I'm gonna go with this one. Then okay, now my keyboard has been changed to high contrast keyboard, and I'm going to check it. For example, I'm going to type. Okay, so this is my high contrast keyboard. Alright guys, and that's how we can activate high contrast keyboard on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.